Are you over 40 and struggling to lose weight? This video is a must-watch. Many people in this age group find that shedding pounds is harder than ever. Metabolism slows down, muscle mass decreases, and hormonal changes make it even more challenging. This is why so many turn to weight loss supplements, hoping for a quick fix. But do these supplements actually work? Or are they just a waste of money, possibly even harmful? In today's video, we'll uncover the dark truth behind the weight loss supplement industry and what you really need to focus on for sustainable weight loss after 40. The weight loss supplement industry, facts versus fiction. The weight loss industry is worth billions of dollars, and companies know how to market their products. They sell pills, powders, teas, and shakes, promising rapid fat loss with little to no effort. These products often claim to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, block fat absorption, burn fat while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the reality. If these supplements worked as well as advertised, obesity wouldn't be a growing problem. Let's break down the most common categories and expose the science behind them. 1. Metabolism Boosters, more caffeine than coffee. Many so-called fat burners contain caffeine as their primary ingredient. Caffeine can slightly increase metabolism, but the effect is temporary. The problem? These supplements often contain excessive amounts, more than several cups of coffee in a single pill. This can lead to increased heart rate and blood pressure, anxiety and restlessness, trouble sleeping, which ironically hinders weight loss. For those over 40, excessive caffeine can also strain the heart and contribute to adrenal fatigue. Instead of taking pills, a simple cup of black coffee or green tea before exercise can provide the same benefit without the risks. 2. Appetite suppressants. The leptin lie. Some supplements claim to regulate leptin, the hormone that signals when you're full. They claim that increasing leptin levels will automatically reduce hunger. But here's what they don't tell you. Overweight individuals already have high leptin levels, but their bodies have developed leptin resistance, meaning their brains don't recognize the signals. Simply taking a leptin supplement doesn't fix this resistance. The real way to restore leptin sensitivity is through a healthy diet, proper sleep, and exercise, not pills. So, don't waste your money on these so-called miracle hunger blockers. Focus instead on eating whole, unprocessed foods and maintaining a regular eating schedule. 3. Fat blockers, the dangerous side effects. Some supplements claim to prevent fat absorption. The most common ingredient used for this is ketosan, a substance derived from shellfish. In theory, it binds to fat and prevents your body from digesting it. But here's the catch. It also blocks important fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Long-term use can lead to nutrient deficiencies. The weight loss effect is so minimal that you won't even notice a difference. If you're trying to manage fat intake, a much better approach is simply eating healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, while cutting out processed foods and trans fats. 4. Detox Teas and Cleanses. The laxative illusion. Many detox teas and weight loss drinks contain senna or other laxatives. These teas make you lose water weight and feel lighter temporarily, but they don't burn fat. More importantly, they can cause dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, dependency, leading to digestive issues. Your body already has built-in detox systems, your liver and kidneys. Drinking more water and eating fiber-rich foods is far more effective than relying on laxative-based detox products. 5. Meal replacement shakes, hidden sugar bombs. Many brands market their shakes as healthy, protein-packed meal replacements, but when you look at the labels, you'll often find high sugar content, which spikes blood sugar and promotes fat storage. Artificial sweeteners, which can disrupt gut health. Synthetic vitamins, which are not as effective as getting nutrients from real food. Instead of relying on these shakes, focus on real whole foods that provide the protein, fiber, and nutrients your body needs. The right way to lose weight after 40. Now that we've exposed the myths, let's talk about what actually works. Losing weight in your 40s and beyond isn't about magic pills. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes. Here's what truly helps. Prioritize protein. Helps maintain muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. Strength training. Boosts metabolism and prevents muscle loss. Manage stress. High stress leads to cortisol spikes, which can promote belly fat. Improve sleep. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones and makes weight loss harder. Eat whole foods. Focus on vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water supports digestion and metabolism. Be patient. Sustainable weight loss takes time. Quick fixes don't last. Don't fall for the hype. If a weight loss product sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There is no magic supplement that will melt fat away overnight. The best approach for weight loss over 40 is a combination of healthy eating, exercise, stress management, and proper sleep. Rather than wasting money on supplements that don't work, or worse, could harm you, invest in your health the right way. And remember, small, consistent changes lead to long-term success. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based weight loss tips for people over 40.